Can you change your username? Yes, you can change your username. We'll be discussing that. So moving on, we know we are logged in with the user with username rootfish. Now another thing is you want to check the permissions you have. Like another command you can use is the ID command. Now this command is like ID, like short for identity. It shows you the UID, your user ID, which is UID, the GID, which is your group ID. It shows you the groups you belong to, and basically shows you more information, more detailed information about the user you are logged in as. And it can also take some parameters like using ID. If I want to check the permissions that the root user has, I can say ID root, and it shows the permission from the root user. So the who am I command shows who you are logged in as currently, and the ID command shows more information about your identity, like the groups you belong to and the likes. I think there's also a command groups. Yeah, the groups command also shows you the groups you belong to, and if you check, you can see that it's similar to the results you have here. Then another thing to talk about is, when we talk about the file system, we said it begins at the forward, the so one thing we should quickly take note is how to change directory in Linux. So to change directory, the command is just cd, which is short for change directory. So cd, and let's go to the base of the file system. So we'll do cd, then we'll go to this. Now we can do the command ls, which is for listing files, and now we'll compare these results to what we have in the image. So let me try to share that back. This. So going back to this, we can see that now we change directory to the slash, and you can see we have bin, boot, dev, etc, home. We have some directories. So almost all the directories we have here, which are the building blocks of the file system, can be found on your system. So to do that, you just have to change directory to slash, which is the base, and you can do ls to list everything on the base at the base of the file system. So just change directory forward slash, then do ls to show you all the directories that are as the base of the file system. Okay, what is directory? Directory is like the same thing as the folder. If you are coming from a Windows environment, you have folders. Like you can open a folder. So directory is the same thing as a folder. Okay. Okay. So going back to the slides, and that's that about the Linux file system, the building blocks of the Linux file system, and that's the terminal. We know we can use the terminal to run commands, send it to the operating system, and it will process it. So starting from tomorrow, following our outline, we'll look at how to navigate the file system in details, how to create files, how to copy files, how to move files around the file system using the terminal. We are going to be looking at